Braking failures don't always announce themselves with a warning light or dramatic noise. Sometimes the clues only show up once you slow down, pull things apart, and really look at what's going on. Let's talk about how brake system failures can hide in plain sight and how to spot them before they turn into something worse. Imagine a vehicle in your bay that suddenly has a rear wheel lock-up while being moved into your shop. Noticing this, your first instinct may be to think the issue is with hydraulics or electronics. Perhaps it's a stuck parking brake or an ABS valve issue, or maybe even a restricted brake hose. All of those are reasonable conclusions based on the symptom alone. But sometimes the real failure has nothing to do with pressure or electronics. A quick look from an inspection might show brake pads that appear serviceable. But once the caliper is removed, a very different picture can emerge. Pads worn close to their wear indicators, friction material missing or cracked. In some cases, that missing material can wedge itself between the caliper bracket and the rotor, mechanically locking the wheel. The most common underlying cause in these situations isn't mileage or driving habits. It's corrosion. Over time, corrosion attacks the backing plate, shims, and pad contact surfaces. Eventually, it compromises the bond between the friction material and the backing plate. When that bond fails, the friction material can delaminate, separate, or break apart entirely. This type of failure is difficult to detect during a routine visual check. Early warning signs often show up at the ends of the pads, where small pieces of material may chip off. In other cases, the friction material may look intact but can be flexed or separated from the backing plate with light pressure. That's why brake inspection has to be thorough. Never judge brake condition by inspecting a single pad. Both pads must be removed, measured, and documented. Corrosion should never be dismissed as cosmetic. It's often the root cause of much larger failures. Wear patterns also provide critical clues. Excessive inner pad wear often points to guide pin or caliper issues. Outer pad wear is rare and usually signals binding or seized components. Tapered wear often indicates hardware problems or restricted pad movement. Brake failures rarely come from a single cause. Careful inspection, attention to corrosion, and understanding wear patterns are what prevent a simple brake job from becoming a safety issue for your customers. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. See you next time.